On June 2nd, Telangana celebrates its Formation Day, marking the birth of India's 29th state. But the journey to statehood was a story of struggle and resilience. Telangana's quest for statehood began with the merger of Hyderabad with India in 1948. In 1956, the Telugu-speaking regions were merged to form Andhra Pradesh, leading to discontent. Feeling marginalized, the people of Telangana demanded a separate state. Key movements in 1969 and the 2000s kept the fight alive. In 2001, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, KCR, formed the TRS, reigniting the fight. His relentless efforts brought national attention to the cause. In 2014, the Indian Parliament passed the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. On June 2nd, Telangana was born. Today, Telangana stands tall, thriving in various sectors and celebrating its rich cultural heritage.